Hey, I'm Tom Trimmer with Custom Marine Products. Today I'm going to show you the difference between a carbon fiber-backed 100-watt solar panel, walkable, semi-rigid, and a fiberglass-backed, walkable, semi-rigid solar panel. So the big difference is the stiffness, right? If you can see that, and then that versus that. See how that holds its shape a little more. This one is lighter and more robust and dissipates heat better, but it's also more expensive. This one weighs more and costs less. They have the exact same solar cells. They're 24.4% efficient SunPower Maxeons. The cells themselves can be partially shaded. Everything's the same except for the backing and the price. So yeah, carbon fiber, fiberglass. The other advantage of fiberglass is if you have to go on if you have a curved deck, this one has more curvature. This one curves more easily than the carbon fiber. But that said, the carbon fiber still does have some give to it. All right, so now you know the different applications. Call us if you want one or a bunch. CustomMarineProducts.store. You can buy them online or call us anytime. Our phone number is all over our site, or email us, or there's a chat on the site, and we will get you squared away. And we can help you with figuring out how much wattage you want, how much power you need, how to mount. We'll hook you up with all the mounting systems. And for mounting, you can mount these straight to your deck, or we recommend here's J channels that go on each side, and then we recommend using a polycarbonate. This keeps it off your deck, so your decking doesn't get hot and get disfigured. You put this up, and it also keeps the panel cooler, so it runs better. It runs more efficiently. So this is our recommended mounting system for either the carbon fiber or the fiberglass. And then you would either tape these down or screw them down, or both. Tape would be a VHB, very high bond 3M tape. Yeah, and there you go. You see your panel slides right in there. And we do that on both sides. So that's how you would mount either panel, either walkable panel.